If you're looking at this one, you're following directions, you weren't sure how we got one or more of these answers, and you want to see how the work is set up so that you can get it right in the future. So we got negative 2.3 plus m equals negative 7. So I'm going to do it the first way that we would want to look at it. As we have a plus sign here, so the inverse operation, the opposite of plus, we're going to minus whatever this is. So we're going to minus negative 2.3. Minus negative 2.3. So negative 2.3 minus negative 2.3, still 0. So we have m all by itself. Negative 7 minus negative 2.3. Whew, that's a lot of negatives. So if I do keep, change, change, so I keep the first number the same, change, change, really that's negative 7 plus a positive 2.3. All right, they have different signs, so I need to find the difference between them. I'm going to subtract 7 minus 2.3. You can also think about this as it's 7, or I owe you $7 and I give you $2.30. How much do I still owe you? Same idea. So I'm going to have to borrow, there's that 4.7. And since it started at a negative 7, I owed you $7 and I gave you $2.3, $2.30. I still owe you money. So it's negative 4.7. For the next one here, I'm not going to do the inverse operation. I'm going to try and think a little bit more and do a little bit less work and say, I want this to be 0. How can I make that 0? Well, negative 3/4 plus 3/4, that would be 0. So I'm going to add 3/4 to both sides. Well, 5/4 plus 3/4, that doesn't give me 2, but 5/4 plus 3/4 gives me 8/4. And 8/4, 8 divided by 4, is going to give me 2. For the last one down here, we've got, again, negative 11 plus x equals 33. I'm going to go through this as I want that to be 0, because then x would be by itself. There'd be no more 11, or negative 11. So I'm going to add 11. 33 plus 11, sure enough, 44.